Hello, dear all students. Welcome you all once again after a long time on YouTube channel. Uh, અત્યાર સુધી આપણે થ્રુ ઓનલાઈન ક્લાસીસ ઓન ઝૂમ અને માઇક્રોસોફ્ટ એપ્લિકેશન દ્વારા માઇક્રોસોફ્ટ ટીમ એપ્લિકેશન દ્વારા rather we were learning and we were busy before this Diwali vacation was declared. હવે અત્યારે આ જે વેકેશન પીરિયડ છે મીન્સ કે ઓફિશિયલ વેકેશન પીરિયડ એમ તો અત્યાર સુધી વેકેશન પીરિયડ ચાલુ જ છે આપણું એટ હોમ વી આર લર્નિંગ બટ જે આ પ્રોપર જે ઓફિશિયલ વેકેશન પીરિયડ છે એમાં આઈ જસ્ટ thought that let's revise language functions that we discussed through YouTube videos, through online classes and through certain PDF files and all જે તમે અત્યાર સુધી ભણતા આવેલા છો એનું થોડુંક રિવિઝન થઈ જાય. Some students also requested me to revise some language functions with some practical approach. તો હું થોડુંક practical approach થી એટલે I don't want to share any file or any textbook or anything. I just want to share with you how can we use language functions in our day-to-day life. જે એક વિડીયો અગાઉ બનાવેલો હતો આપણે એના રિલેટેડ જ એક વિડીયો છે બટ વી હેવ સિલેક્ટેડ ડિફરન્ટ લેંગ્વેજ ફંક્શન સો આઈ વિલ ટોક અબાઉટ એક્સપ્રેસિંગ ઓર ઇન્ડિકેટિંગ પર્પઝ ઇન અ સેન્ટેન્સ કઈ રીતે આપણે પર્પઝને બતાવી શકીએ હેતુ કઈ રીતે કમ્યુનિકેટ કરી શકાય હાઉ કેન વી એક્સચેન્જ આર words with somebody to fulfill our purpose. Okay, so there is some purpose in a sentence હોય છે અને every sentence carries a purpose, but there is a special language function that is called expressing purpose or indicating purpose. So that we want to discuss today with some practical examples. So before we start, I would like to give you some keywords, some conjunctions, some characters, some words or phrases which are important. કેટલાક એવા keywords જે છે એને આપણે ફોકસ કરવો પડે એના ઉપર અને then we can go ahead. So I would like to begin with a very simple word. I think the simplest of all words જે બધા શબ્દોમાંથી સૌથી સિમ્પલ એક કનેક્ટર છે જેને કીવર્ડ તરીકે આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ ફોર expressing purpose in a sentence in our day-to-day life, that is TO2. We know it very well, we use it very well, and also we listen to it often on many videos or of course on many channels, TV channels or whatever situation we are. Now TO2 is a simple one. How can we use to fulfill the purpose or how can we express purpose through this simple TO2 word? Now let me give you some examples with TO2 to give you some ideas on expressing purpose. તમને એક example આપું છું TO2 થી. I am sure you will understand it. Now I just give you one sentence. I traveled to Ahmedabad to buy some luggage. I traveled to Bombay to buy some electronic items. I traveled to northern part of India to know the life of those people. I read books to get knowledge or to update myself. I read a newspaper to know daily incidents or daily affairs. Okay. I watch television serials to enjoy myself when I am alone. I read many sources of books to know different information. I prepare for my examination to get or to obtain good marks. I often talk to my friends to know their hobbies and their interest. My father wakes up early in the morning to go to his work. My father wakes up early in the morning to do exercise. or my mother wakes up early morning to prepare a tea for us. So these are some of the common sentences. These are some of the common situations where we use TO2. આ કેટલીક એવી સિચ્યુએશન્સ છે, કેટલાક એવા સેન્ટેન્સીસ મેં તમને બતાવ્યા ડિફરન્ટ સિચ્યુએશન્સના કે જ્યાં TO2નો યુઝ કરી શકાય છે ટુ ગીવ પર્પઝ. Different purposes: to buy vegetables, to buy fruits, to buy luggage, to buy electronic items, to prepare tea, to go for work, to do exercise, to pass out examination, to obtain or get good marks. These are some of the purposes where you can use TO2 to show your purpose. Now I am making this video to teach you how to express purpose in a sentence, right? There is another word I would like to tell you, the very simple one. It is also a very simple one, and that is in order to. It's just like to. You are just adding two extra words before TO, in and order. In order to. That is the conjunction or the connector, but this is also the key word to express your purpose. If you want to express your purpose, you can also express your purpose through this in order to. The in order to ને use કરીને આપણે સેન્ટેન્સને બનાવી શકીએ છીએ, પર્પઝને એક્સપ્રેસ કરી શકીએ છીએ. I just want to give you some other examples. Now Virat Kohli won the toss and elected to bat first in order to take advantage of the pitch. See, this is some complex, a bit complex. વિરાટ કોહલીએ ટોસ જીત્યો અને પહેલાં બેટિંગ કરવાનું પસંદ કર્યું કેમ કે એને સિચ્યુએશન જે હતી, પરિસ્થિતિ હતી, પિચની કન્ડિશન હતી, એનો લાભ ઉઠાવવો હતો. That is the very simple purpose. So I am giving you some other examples of other fields. Okay. Now, one director made a movie in order to expose corruption. એક ડાયરેક્ટર એક મૂવી બનાવી, એનો પર્પઝ શું હતો? કરપ્શનને, ભ્રષ્ટાચારને એક્સપોઝ કરવાનો, બહાર લાવવાનો. This is a simple use of in order to in some other situations, political use or entertainment industry, or we can use for sports. अलग अलग situation में in order to use करी सकाय. Now as a student you can also use this word in order to. For example, you can say that I bought 3 different books of chemistry. I bought 3 different books of chemistry together to collect different informations. મેં અલગ અલગ માહિતી મેળવવા માટે 3 કેમિસ્ટ્રીની બુક્સની ખરીદી કરી. That is in order to. So these are some of the examples with to or in order to. Now I just want to give you only third word, the third important key word, that is with a view to. Now, what is the difference between in order to and with a view to? બંને વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સ શું છે? That after the keyword or after the conjunction in order to, you cannot use ing form. ing form no use નથી કરી શકતા. For example, my father wakes up early in the morning to do exercise. We cannot say to doing exercise, but આની જગ્યાએ આપણે with a view to utilize કરીએ તો we can say that my father wakes up early in the morning with a view to doing exercise, with a view to doing exercise daily. This is the situation, that with a view to and in order to, there is only one difference, that you can use ing after the word, after it with a view to form any other word, but after in order to you cannot use word with ing. તો ing વાળો શબ્દ with a view to પછી આવશે, in order to માં કે TO2 માં નહીં આવે. So that is very simplest. These are very simple condition. I have given you 3 words. Please make sure practice those words. This is just a kind of a revision, એક revision જેવું આપણે એને સમજી લેવાનું છે. I will try to revise different language function throughout this vacation period જે ત્યાર સુધી ડિસ્કસ કરી ગયા છે આપણે અને એને કમ્યુનિકેશનમાં પણ લાવવાની ટ્રાય કરવાની. There are many videos also available on YouTube you can watch on language function. So once again I give you some other examples of TO in order to add with a view to end this video. One example with TO2, I drink too much water to keep myself hydrated. હું વધારે પડતું પાણી પીઉં છું કેમ કે હાઇડ્રેટેડ રહેવા માટે, એટલે કે બોડીને હાઇડ્રેશનમાં રાખવા માટે, ડિહાઇડ્રેશનથી બચવા માટે હું વધારે પાણી પીઉં છું. I drink too much water to keep my body hydrated. Right, that is one example. The same word, same sentence can be used, or same statement can be given with the use of in order to and with a view to. For example, I keep my body, or I drink too much water in order to keep my body hydrated. I drink too much water with a view to keeping my body hydrated. So these are some of the examples with water, with a situation of water. Now, for example, when doctors suggest something to you, how can he suggest with some purpose? Doctor may say to you when you are ill, when you are sick, when you are not feeling comfortable, જ્યારે આપણે ડૉક્ટર પાસે જઈએ છીએ કમ્ફર્ટેબલ નથી ફીલ કરતા ત્યારે, તો ડૉક્ટર સજેસ્ટ કરી શકે છે કે યુ શુડ વોક અર્લી ઇન ધ મોર્નિંગ ટુ કીપ યોર સેલ્ફ ફિટ. તમારે ચાલવું જોઈએ દરરોજ તમારે ફિટ રહેવા માટે. તો વી કેન ઓલ્સો સે, ડૉક્ટર મે સે you should walk early in the morning in order to keep yourself fit. You should walk early in the morning with a view to keeping yourself fit. So these are the examples of in order to do and with a view to express purpose. I hope you must have understood. Try to practice it. There is a workbook available with you. It has been shared with you on WhatsApp groups. Please read, please practice, and find out your own way to learn this expressing purpose. Okay, thank you very much. If you find any problem, you can consult me anytime through WhatsApp, through call. I am here to help you during this vacation period also. Enjoy the vacation, but also try to read, practice, and keep on learning. Thank you very much.